Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but with a chuckle replied that maybe it couldn't, but he would be the one who wouldn't say that he didn't try. So he buckled right in with a trace of a grin on his face. If he worried he hit it, he started to sing and he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it.
Somebody scoffed, "Oh, you'll never do that. At least no one ever has done it." He took off his coat and he took off his hat, and the first thing we knew he'd begun it. With a lift of his chin and a bit of a grin, without any doubt or a quit it. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it.
There are thousands to tell you it cannot be done.
There are thousands to prophesy failure. There are thousands to point out to you, one by one, that dangers wait to assail you. But just buckle it in with a bit of a grin, just take off your coat and go to it. Just start to sing as you tackle the thing that cannot be done, and you'll do it. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventures to Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.